We are still going to continue adjusting our column widths. Last video showed you how to use the drag method, how to use best fit. And for this video, we are actually going to be using a column width dialog box. So we're going to click anywhere in column A. And then we're going to come over and click on the Format Cells arrow here. And you'll notice there is a column width command. So we're going to click on that command, and that is going to display the dialog box. And to change the width, all we have to do is type the width that we want in that box and click OK. So we're going to change it to 12.7, and then we're going to click OK. And you should notice column A, the width has increased. So this dialog box method works great if you have a very specific measurement that you want to use. So we're going to do the same thing for B. We're going to go ahead and click in B, and then we'll go to Format and Column Width, and they want this to be 12.5. So we key that in and click OK. Okay, and for C, they basically want us to use that dialog box again. Now there is another way that you can access the dialog box. If you right-click on the letter C, you'll notice there's a column width command here too. And if you click on it, it's the exact same dialog box that you get from going to the Format menu. I'm going to do an 8 here, and then click OK. Now, if you go into Snap and you have to change column widths, and they want the dialog box, you should click in the cell and use Format and Column Width, because that's what it's expecting you to do. Okay, right-clicking on the letter is just a little shortcut you can use. It works great, but at this point, if you're in Snap and you have to use the dialog box, make sure you're using the menu. Otherwise, Snap could mark it wrong. Okay, so you have to use Snap's little techniques in order for you to get the exercise correct. So I'm going to go ahead and save. And at this point, you do know all 3 ways of modifying column width. Okay, you can use the drag method, you can use the best fit where you double click, or you can use the Format column width command.